In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count the total number of rows in a table in Power BI using DAX. This is a practical skill that can streamline your data analysis tasks and bring clarity to your reports. So, let's dive right in and unravel the mystery of row counting in Power BI. To start, let's understand what the COUNTROWS function actually does. Simply put, COUNTROWS accepts a table as its argument and returns the number of rows contained within that table. This function is perfect when you want a straightforward tally of rows in a dataset. For instance, if you have a table called Sales and you wanted to find out how many total rows that table contains, COUNTROWS would be the function of choice. It's precise, effective, and remarkably simple to implement. Now let's look at a basic example. Imagine you have your sales table, and your objective is to create a measure that reflects the total number of rows in it. Here's how you'd proceed. First, navigate to Power BI Desktop. In the Modeling tab, click on New Measure. This will allow you to write a custom formula. Here, you would enter total sales rows equals COUNTROWS of sales. It's really that simple. Once you've created this measure, you can use it in a visual, such as a card, to dynamically display the number of rows present in your sales table. But what if you want to count rows that meet a specific condition? Let's say you need to count only the rows where the sales amount exceeds 100. You can approach this task in two ways, by using Filter within COUNTROWS or by leveraging Calculate. With the filter approach, your measure might look like this. Sales over 100 equals COUNTROWS of filter on sales where sales amount is greater than 100. This effectively filters out only the rows where the condition is met and counts them. Alternatively, you could use Calculate, which works beautifully, especially when paired with visuals featuring slicers. The formula using Calculate would be sales over 100 equals Calculate of COUNTROWS of sales where the condition sales amount is greater than 100. Both these methods will generally yield the same result, yet choosing Calculate provides you with added flexibility in more complex scenarios. In conclusion, when it comes to counting rows in Power BI, COUNTROWS is your best friend for straightforward row counting. Meanwhile, applying conditions involves a bit more finesse with either Filter or Calculate, depending on your specific needs and visual context. With these tools in your Power BI toolkit, you'll be well equipped to enhance your data reports and analyses. Thank you for watching, and make sure to experiment with these functions for deeper insights into your datasets.